Texas doesn't do regular teeny tiny appetizers. We're cornbread fed and known for big hair, big portions, and big flavor. This right here is a Texas Twinkie. Jalapenos stuffed with smoked brisket, wrapped in candied bacon, and glazed in hot honey barbecue sauce. If your state isn't putting brisket in everything, respectfully, you're not competing. Hi, I'm Sonja Norwood, born and raised in Houston, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to make Texas Twinkies my way. Now, Texas food culture is bold, it's smoky, it's unapologetic, and brisket is not optional. If you grew up here, you already know, people take their barbecue personally. Debates will get heated. Texas Twinkies actually come out of barbecue culture. Think jalapeno poppers, but elevated. Smoked, stuffed with brisket, and wrapped in bacon. It's giving backyard cookout. It's giving game day, and you better have brought enough for everybody. For me, this dish feels like community. Now, during rodeo season, Houston really shows out. You've got booths, live music, and food everywhere. Smoked, grilled, fried, all of it. And Texas Twinkies fit right into that culture. It's a little extra, just like us. First things first, jalapenos. You want them halved and cleaned out. Seeds gone, membranes gone. Unless you like a little chaos, then keep a few in there. Now for the filling. We've got cream cheese, smoked brisket, shredded cheese, and the secret weapon, brisket fat. That right there, that's flavor. Mix that together until it's rich, creamy, and honestly, you could eat it straight out the bowl. Now we're stuffing. Don't be shy, pack it in. These are not dainty in Texas. Now let's talk about the bacon. We're candying it. Brown sugar, a little cayenne, black pepper, sweet, spicy, crispy. That contrast, that's what makes it hit. Wrap each jalapeno with that candied bacon, get it snug, get it secure, and onto a rack so everything cooks evenly and gets crispy. Into the oven until the bacon caramelizes and everything starts smelling like you made the best decision of your life. We're making the glaze. Barbecue sauce and hot honey, that's it. Sweet, smoky, spicy, very Texas. Brush that on at the end so it gets glossy, sticky, and just a little messy, the way it should be. Let that sit for just a minute, then go ahead and break one open. Yeah, that's what we came for. That is good. The bacon is crisp, sweet, and a little spicy. The brisket is rich and smoky, and then you get that heat from the jalapeno cutting through everything. In Texas, we're serving these at cookouts, game days, anything where people are gathering. And if you show up with these, you're getting invited back. That's good.